So guys, may unbox tayo na bago nating accessory for this Insta360 Ace Pro 2. First, meron tayo ditong camera battery for Ace Pro 2 or Ace Camera Series. Meron tayong battery charger para sa ating Ace Pro 2 batteries. So ito siya guys, nabubuksan siya. Okay. And ito yung kanyang extra battery pack. Kaparehas ito nung original one, but galing ito sa third party brand. This battery is for Insta360 Ace series mula dun sa Ace nila, Ace Pro, and yung Ace Pro 2. So 2,400 mAh yung capacity nito. So ito siya, comparison, side by side. So, ayan. Kapag sinaksak natin siya, ito yung lalabas dyan. Makikita nyo dito sa LED indicator. Kapag red is charging. Tinaas ko lang, pero kapag nag-green to, ibig sabihin nun, full charge na siya. So, ito siya kapag red, that means charging. And kapag wala naman siyang ilaw, that means naka-power off siya. Pero kapag kinonect ko siya, iilaw siya. So that means nagcha-charge na yung ating tatlong batteries. So if you're interested in this one, I'll just put the link down below and follow for more.